Here's how to download and install apps on your Windows laptop or PC using the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and search for Microsoft Store. Open it. On the left sidebar, click Apps to browse the full catalog. You can browse by category, productivity, entertainment, business, and more, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific app by name. Once you find the app you want, click on it to open its page and click Get or Install. The store handles the download and installation automatically. Once finished, a blue Open button appears. Click it to launch the app immediately. You can also find any installed app by typing its name in the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. A tip: the Microsoft Store is the safest place to download apps on Windows because every app goes through a verification process before being listed. For software not available in the store, always go to the official developer website rather than third-party download sites which often bundle unwanted software alongside the app you actually want. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.